Yeah, me? But I gotta be strong. I have to be strong. My mommy told me not to eat, well, more than one, and I already had one before supper. She says it'll ruin my appetite. Yeah, but, oh my, they just look so yummy. What, Ellie? I know, but they're calling my name. Why don't I just eat one more? I know, Ellie, but just one's not gonna hurt me. I must get one. Ow! Oh, come to me. Come to me. Come. That was so fulfilling. That was delicious. Yeah. Oh my, but I want another one. What, Ellie? Just one more, please. No one has to know. Just you and me. I'm just gonna get one more. Okay, Ellie? I know. Supper's almost up in 5 minutes, but I just want one. Just one. My stomach's hurting a little. Oh my stars, I think I'm getting full, but I must have one more. Did this happen to you? Do you ever see something so yummy? You want more and more and more and more and more. My stomach. Oh my. What? I ate them all. I don't know what came over me. Oh, my stomach hurts. I'm about to eat dinner. Oh, my stars. What did I do? It's like they were hypnotizing me. Oh, gosh. Have you ever eaten something so much like cake or cookies or candy and it tastes so good and you just keep eating and eating and eating and before you know it, it's so good and your stomach hurts. I know, Sophie, I know. I should have listened to you. Oh. My stomach's hurting. What am I gonna tell my mom? What if she wants a cookie? I didn't think of anyone but myself. I was being selfish. That's not nice. I should have listened to you, Ellie and Mommy. It's just sometimes when someone tells me no, I just can't stop thinking about it. And I just want to do it. And do it and do it and do it. And I should have known you were right. And Mommy was right. Does this ever happen to you? Your mommy or daddy or grandma, grandpa, your guardian, someone tells you and that turns out they were right, but you didn't listen like me. I feel bad. and I'm stuffed. Oh, my stomach hurts. I gotta apologize to my mommy. Aunt Ellie, I'm sorry for not listening to you. I now realize, Ellie, you and my mommy, and this happens to you too. Sometimes the people in our lives are just looking out for our best interest. They're not trying to control us or be mean or ruin our fun. No, they're just looking out for our well-being. And I'll remember next time to listen because I'll know that they were just looking out for me because they love me and they know what's best for me. But Ellie, what do you mean this is something I've already said that I said last time? Oh gosh, I guess I do this a lot. Oh, but I'll remember next time. Please remind me. What? I tell you this all the time to remind me? Gosh, I promise on the girl honor that I will not do it again, or that I will listen to you, my best friend. What's that, Ellie? It's almost time for supper. Ugh, I don't feel so well. My stomach still hurts, and I don't think Mommy's gonna be too happy with me. I guess I better go now, you guys. But do you want to sing the Tata song with me? All right, let's do it. Me, me. I'm ready. All right. It's ticket time. That means goodbye. So long, my merry friends. I had a blast. The time went fast. It's coming to an end. But don't you fear, tomorrow's near. For now we'll wave our hands. Ta-ta. Adios. Choo-choo.